What is the difference between a successful and an unsuccessful digital marketer? On this video, you will find that out. Hey everybody, what's up? This is Hernan and welcome to another video, and thank you guys for all of the support, the comments, everything that you guys have been dropping on the channel. I'm pretty excited, I'm pretty pumped, and I'm pretty grateful that you guys are finding this content valuable, so thank you for that. I really do appreciate it. Now in this video, I wanted to make a super quick rant, I would say, about what's the difference between a successful and an unsuccessful digital marketer or entrepreneur in general. You know, I recently, like 5 days ago, I came back from a trip to the US. I was in Tampa meeting with some clients, and I was in Washington, DC, where I hold my first live event for one of my companies, Semantic Mastery. And the reality is that I was hanging out with people that have built, 7, 8, and even 9-figure businesses. And it's pretty cool to be able to see what's the difference between people that are, on the position where they want to be and people that are not, right? So I wanted to kind of tell you guys a little bit about my experience when working and consulting with this type of companies versus the people that are not still where they want to be, and what are the differences between the two. So the reality is that, we had our live event, and on our live event for Semantic Mastery, a lot of people came to the live event and were asking us, how to grow their businesses, their local digital marketing agencies, how to grow their businesses, what's wrong, what's lacking. And the reality is that I found out that the number one problem that a lot of digital marketers have, myself included at some point, is the fact that we lack focus. Focus is the main difference between somebody that's successful with what they're doing and somebody that's unsuccessful. Because think about this for a minute. If you want to do SEO or lead gen, if you want to rank and rent YouTube videos, if you're doing Facebook ads, if you're doing e-commerce, they all work. If you're doing a webinar, they all work, right? But the problem with entrepreneurs in general and digital marketers in particular is that we kind of hop from opportunity to opportunity. We hop from method to method. We try to tweak and change things, and we don't give those methods the time and the effort that they need to actually work. So one of the main problems that digital marketers have, and entrepreneurs in general, is the lack of focus. I'm consulting with one client right now. I'm working with one of my clients that he has a big online presence, and all he's doing is a webinar funnel. That's it. It's a webinar funnel. So he runs ads to a webinar. On the webinar, he's selling a course, and that's it. That's all. That's all he does. What he's been doing that for the past 3 years. He's mastered the process of creating a profitable webinar, and he's making 8 figures right now. So that is something that you want to have in mind. Then I met some other people that they're hopping from shiny object to shiny object, from method to method, from technique to technique, to this best thing to the next best thing and whatnot, and that is preventing them to grow. So let's say that you start a business, so that you start something at the first of the year, and then 365 days later, you might either have, focus and develop one single process and be successful at that, or you may have hopped through 5 different opportunities, and then at the end of the year, you have nothing to account for. So that's one of the main differences that I found between super successful people and people that are struggling right now while launching their businesses. So it doesn't really matter what you do. It doesn't really matter if you go ahead and have, an e-commerce store, or if you're trying to do Facebook ads for clients, or if you're trying to rank and rent YouTube videos. It doesn't really matter as long as you focus and you keep at it. Remember, you will get tired of your product or service much faster than the marketplace will. So that's why we keep on hopping from opportunity to opportunity, because we get tired, right? We get bored. We think, oh, well, nobody is actually buying my stuff I need to try something else. And the reality is that maybe you don't have enough traffic going through it. Maybe there's not enough eyeballs going through it, you know? So for example, Semantic Mastery is a 7-figure business, but there's a lot of people that do not know who Semantic Mastery is. So my mission for the upcoming 6 months is to make sure that a lot more people know about one of my companies, which is Semantic Mastery. And I do the same for clients. My clients doing 8 figures, spending $200,000 to $300,000 a month on Facebook ads. There's a lot of people that do not know who they are. So my mission is to make sure that more and more people know who they are. So that is something that you want to have in mind. Focus is the difference between a successful and an unsuccessful entrepreneur. All right, guys, so I hope this helped you. If it does, don't forget to click the subscribe, the like button, leave a comment, whatever you're watching this, doesn't matter. Just let me know what you think. Let me know that this is helping you. And come and join the free Facebook group. It's completely free. We have a lot of good stuff going on in there. All right, guys, so thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.